Welcome to Vedic Mathematics School. School for learning to live parallel with Vedic order. Today is a day of preparations for first day teaching. First day teaching is the foundation. This foundation is as per the values of math of Vedic Ganita Sutras. As such, Vedic Ganita Sutras text charts are to be available for classrooms preparation. Step 1. Charts of Vedic Ganita Sutras text. Step 2 is timetable. Period wise, third step, each period teaching is to be available in writing. To be supplied to students. Teaching properly tailored total period duration is to be properly phased. It is to be minute by minute, programmed. Subject content of the period properly specified. Continuity with previous learning and properly projected. Properly projected for teaching ahead. With this whole write-up to be circulated, teachers, preparations, no seconds of period to be against the programmed schedule of teaching. Entire content steps are to be properly followed. This makes a environment for the divine duty of teachers. As the entire exercise is divine, two-way communication between teacher and a student, perfect mind and innocence mind. It is intelligence field versus consciousness foundation setup. These are just the captions. These are just the outer layer of the schooling. Schooling is a very delicate exercise. In fact, it is an assignment. The same is a divine duty. We are dealing with innocence, fulfilled young minds. It is a virtuous, it is a virtue plane. Upon it, the divine values are to be printed. How delicate it is, only Vedic mathematics teacher knows. Teacher knows from his own learning. Teacher knows as to how, as a young mind, he had scratches upon his innocence. So, Vedic mathematics teacher is is fully acquainted with how young mind will get scratches. Let there be no scratch. And the intelligence field of young mind is to have consciousness foundation. It is here where we have to appreciate how intelligence bits and consciousness impulses have a field synthesis. And then mind within brain, brain within body, and body within the solar universe. And solar universe having complete system. So the sunlight flow from as sun rays, and there being a flow of a transcendental content, how there is a uniformed mechanism which is to be followed and is to be availed, that straight from the teacher there is a transcendental flow for the young minds. It is this communication which is said to be a transcendental communication. Mind creates intelligence which is of many stages. There are 7 states of consciousness, and young mind is still to initiate itself from the first state, and transcendence to second stage is a really learning bliss for the young mind. However, the teacher who has a perfect intelligence, he say is at the last 7th state. It is a Brahmi state. It is eternity. The teacher is in a Brahmi state of intelligence, Brahmi Chetana. The child is at a initial Jagarat first state. It is awakening. He is awake. There is an awakening. However, this same is going to be not of its own or potentialities to transcend to the next state. So how the teacher will help the child to sequentially, naturally transcend from first state to second state. And then how sequentially he is potentialized to be on the format that he will also ultimately have the same state of consciousness as is of the teacher. It's a very difficult job. It is really a challenge. It is the challenge which is to be faced by Vedic mathematics schooling. Vedic mathematics schooling is meant for taking from first state of consciousness to its ultimate state of consciousness. It is a phenomenon. It is a phenomenon of existence. This phenomenon of existence is being accepted. It is this acceptance that the child with innocence fulfilled mind is to be taken on the transcendental path so that his consciousness sequentially, smoothly, naturally is of a Brahmi avastha. From Jagarat to Brahmi avastha is a very, very big range. But if there is a proper instructions, if there is a proper training, if there is a proper schooling, then it is most natural and it is most smooth and it is not of any big time consuming assignment. Because of it, Vedic mathematics schooling, if we say we are starting with 5th standard, and if we reach up till the 10th standard, then whole exercise will be complete. If this is the aim, and it is for this aim that Such schooling is there if we are sincere, if we accept the divine assignment